Hello, in this video we will learn how to turn your visor from this into this. A friend of mine gave me this visor after he tried to fix it and I wanted to help him remove all the scratches. This is a very old visor. First of all, I cover my working table. I took sandpaper 800 grit and cut it to a proper size. I took a sponge and cover it with the sandpaper. I wet sand the visor in straight motion, not circular. Then I flip it, and again with water and soap I sand the visor. Then I move to 3000 grit. Again with water and straight motion. Then I replace to 5000 grit. I add this attachment for the cordless drill and I attach it to polish. I used headlight restorer polish and I am using this procedure every year when I want to clean the lenses of my headlights of the car before the DMV test. I put some polish on the visor and on the polish pad. I put the drill on the slowest circular motion. And start polishing. I then polish the inner side. After a few minutes, I clean all the leftover, but I was not happy with the result, so I figure I will polish some more. I had this construction I built to hold the drill with a cord and with another attachment of a sponge which make the cover vibrate a little bit because I didn't clamp it. And I polished the visor for a few more minutes. This is the medium result. Then I use some turtle wax to make the finish even better. Here it is better to use circular motions, so the wax will enter all the cracks and scratches more efficiently. I then wipe everything with a fiber cloth. And this is the end result. It's not 100%, but it looks much better. Feel free to subscribe.